The Mitsubishi Mirage is a simple and affordable subcompact 5-door hatchback. It measures 3.7 meters, which is the same as a Suzuki Ignis, or 10 cm less than a Toyota Vitz Yaris. It's a simple, well-built, reliable, efficient and affordable car. If you are looking for a car for your daily commute or a second car in the family, the Mitsubishi Mirage could be a good choice. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, so you are alerted when we make a new upload. The Mirage was produced exclusively by Mitsubishi's Philippine and Thailand facilities and distributed worldwide. The car was even sold in the USA and has recently become quite popular due to its outstandingly low running costs. In addition, European and Asian buyers appreciate its practicality and simplicity. The front of the Mirage is not outstanding. It may seem a little outdated compared to rivals produced in the same period. However, design in the case of the Mirage is not a factor that tempts buyers to consider its purchase. The neat front end features large clear glass headlamps complemented by round fog lights. That is more than one would expect from such an urban mini car. The Mirage side profile indicates its urban character. Small, narrow 14-inch wheels have been moved forward and to the end of the body, allowing for more space and roominess in the interior. Although the car is small, the front door openings are wide enough and convenient for tall passengers. The rear doors are also well formed, providing acceptable access to the second row seats. The only drawback is the door handles, which are not particularly convincing. The rear of the Mirage doesn't look exceptional. It's just simple and neat. It vaguely echoes the previous generation Toyota Yaris, but does not possess such a satisfying balance. On top of this, the loading edge is positioned high, and the opening is not wide enough to easily accommodate large items. Nevertheless, all considered as a 5-person urban vehicle, which the Mirage certainly is, the volume of the boot will not give you any reason to be dissatisfied. Sadly, the finished quality of the luggage compartment is very basic. On the plus side, the boot volume is a satisfying 235 liters, enough to cope with everyday demands. If you occasionally run out of space, it can easily be expanded by folding down the rear seats. Although the Mirage is representative of a budget, straightforward styling line, it does not lack any of today's essential features. The finishes used in the interior arrangement are fitted in an exemplary manner, although using cheap plastics and fabrics. Surprisingly, the Mirage's interior does not leave a bad impression. There are no rattling or squeaky noises present while driving. Mirage is not magnificent representative in terms of handling, but the overall ride quality is not disappointing. What can become a concern is the poor soundproofing, which proves to be a nuisance at higher speeds. The interior, in respect of the size of the car, feels acceptably spacious. Passengers in the front and rear seats will not complain about the shortage of headroom. The legroom in the front of the cabin is sufficient even for tall drivers. Regardless of the design of the second-row flat cushion seat, passengers on city trips will be satisfied with the amount of space in front of their knees. Even though the Mitsubishi Mirage has been developed as a budget-friendly and very cost-effective car, it does not fall short of more expensive competitors in terms of safety and comfort equipment. It comes with air conditioning, nav-DVD radio with touchscreen, power mirrors, power windows, central locking, keyless entry, power-adjustable headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, airbags, ABS and more. Similar Mitsubishi Mirage you can buy at BeForward. The 6th generation 2012 to 2016 model starts from $1,500. Please check current prices on BeForward website. The Engine 3A90 is a lightweight, low-maintenance, hassle-free, 3-cylinder, 999 cubic centimeters MIVEC Mitsubishi innovative valve timing electronic control system. Its peak power of 71 PS is available at 6000 rpm. The peak torque of 88 Nm is achieved at 5000 rpm. Front-wheel drive Mirage equipped with CVT transmission is exceptionally fuel efficient and pleasant to drive. Its average consumption varies depending on driving conditions from 3.6 liters up to 4.9 liters in dense city traffic. Good weight-to-power ratio of the Mirage empowers acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in 12.2 seconds. If you are interested in buying a Mitsubishi Mirage or other Mitsubishi at a low price, please check out the links in the description below or visit beforward.jp. You can also send in your inquiries to top@beforward.jp. Please hit like and share it with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of our future videos.